In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move tasks in Microsoft Project. If you're organizing a schedule and need to reorder items, there are two reliable ways in the desktop app: dragging and dropping tasks in a task list view and using quick keyboard shortcuts. I'll walk you through both and share a few tips to keep everything neat and accurate as you move things around. First, the quickest way is drag and drop. Make sure you're in a task list view such as Gantt chart, where you see row numbers on the left. Click the gray row header of the task you want to move. When your cursor changes to a four-way arrow, hold the mouse button and drag the row up or down until you see the insertion line where you want it, then release. That's it. The task is now in its new position. You can select and drag multiple tasks at once if you need to move a block of work together. And if you drag a summary task, all of its subtasks move along with it, preserving the structure. If a summary is collapsed, expanding it first can make placement easier. If you can't drag, check that you're not in a sorted or grouped view that locks the order, and confirm the file isn't read only. Also, keep an eye on any dependencies. When you move a task, the order changes, but links and dates may still drive when work actually occurs. Now, for precise adjustments, use keyboard shortcuts. Click the row header of the task you want to shift, then press Alt plus Shift plus the up arrow to move it up, or Alt plus Shift plus the down arrow to move it down. Tap the shortcut repeatedly to nudge the task where you want it. This works in editable task list views, like Gantt chart. If nothing happens, make sure you're not actively typing in a cell and that your view isn't sorted. Be mindful that Alt plus Shift plus left or right arrow changes indentation, which is different from reordering, so focus on up and down for moving. As with dragging, moving a summary task will bring its subtasks along, maintaining the hierarchy. After rearranging, scan your schedule to confirm the sequence, dependencies, and dates still make sense. WBS numbers and row IDs will automatically renumber, and you can always press Ctrl plus Z to undo if needed. When you're satisfied, save your changes so the new order becomes the source of truth. That's all you need to confidently move tasks in Microsoft Project using drag and drop or quick keyboard shortcuts.